Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue where we left. Previous lesson we finished our repository completely by finishing unit of works. Today we're going to start our service layer. Let's first create our structure. New folder, Automapper. We're going to use Automapper to mapping our data between our entities and ViewModels. Boolean validation, which is what validate our request. Add folder. Also, we need an extension. Let's type here extensions. So we might need exceptions. Let's keep it. If we didn't use it, we can delete it later. Helpers. We're going to use a lot of helper methods here. Let's keep it. And we're going to use filters. We might use middlewares. And the last thing, I guess, what should it be? Services. What about messages? Should I use them here or should I use in core layer? Let's type it here for now. If it changes, we can change the location of our folder. Messages. Alright, okay. Let's start with Automapper first. Let me explain what Automapper is, why we're using this a little bit. If you remember, while we are creating our entities, we create entities and ViewModels. So what are those? When it comes to the show our information, so demonstrate our properties to last user in our UI layer, like website, we have to add a class, a kind of ViewModel. So if we add our entities directly, so this is not best practice, because for example, if we're going to list our about us section, so we don't want every detail listed in our listing method. So for example, we have two listing methods. One of is for the users, the other one for the admin layer. So in the admin layer, we might want to list every single detail, but when it comes to the user layer, maybe we're just going to list header and description. That's all. I don't know. This is just a sample. So we create a ViewModel, different two ViewModel, and we're going to type different class, which is, for example, named about list for user ViewModel, about list for admin ViewModel. Let's start typing our ViewModels and you will understand better. Alright, so before ViewModels, let's create our Automapper structure first. We should add an Automapper. Let's add from manage NuGet package, browse Automapper. I guess this one we should add. Let's have a look. Automapper. I guess Automapper comes automatically with that one. Oops. What about this one? .NET now version 2.5, Microsoft C Sharp. Alright, I guess it's going to be enough. Let's have a try with this one first. All right. Okay, start with that one. About mappers. Before mapping process, let's create our ViewModels first. ViewModel add about ViewModel. I'm gonna add about list ViewModel. Yep, add class. So we going to need a save. We need a ViewModel for save operations. About add ViewModel, and we need one more for the update. About update ViewModel. All right. Let's folder. How many we have? Category. Let's continue with the category. Category list ViewModel. Category add ViewModel and category update ViewModel. Let's continue with the contact. Contact list ViewModel. Contact at ViewModel. Contact update ViewModel. Alright, let's continue with home page. Home page. Home page list ViewModel. Home page add ViewModel. And home page update ViewModel. Oops. Yep, this one. Portfolio. Next one is add portfolio add ViewModel. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but please be patient. I'm not gonna. I don't want they're all same. I'm just gonna do one of or two entities. I don't wanna say it like that. I wanna finish completely from zero to the end a project. Portfolio update ViewModel. Some service. I don't have too much time to edit my videos, so I'm just uploading them how it is. So if it comes to you too long, just make speed up, or you can skip the same um, coding sections, so you can save some time. Social media list ViewModel. Oops, sorry, it was service. Why I'm doing Very good. Perfect. Service at ViewModel. Service update ViewModel. Now social media. Let's close those. Social media. Let's copy this one. List ViewModel. Social media at ViewModel. Social media update ViewModel. Social media update. Yes, that's all. Close that one. Add new folder. Team. Add class team list ViewModel. Team at ViewModel. Now update ViewModel. Alright, now testimonials. Folder testimonials. Testimonials. Yep, testimonial. Alright, add class testimonial list ViewModel. Yep. Add class add ViewModel. We're almost there, guys. Control V, update. Oops, sorry. ViewModel. Alright. Okay, our ViewModels is ready, but we're going to fill their inside later. Let's continue with the Automapper for now. Close all tabs. Yeah, let's continue with the Automapper. Add class category mapper. Add class contact mapper. Add class home page mapper. Add class portfolio mapper. We did portfolio, sorry. Oh, it's a home page, it's a home page. Sorry guys. Yeah, it's all good, yeah. Add class. We did portfolio, the service mapper. Alright. Next one. Social media mapper. Add class team mapper. Decimal mapper. Let's have a look how many minutes we did. It's a 15 minutes. Okay. Let's let this lesson here. So we create our structure just for now. We add our Automapper via manage to get package. We add our mapping classes and we add our ViewModels. Next lesson we start filling those classes inside and we can continue our project. Alright guys, see you later and see you on next lesson. Bye bye.